we have something special. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna check out the Sup Game Box 401 Plus. It's an odd name, but a budget retro handheld that promises hours of gaming, fun just for bucks, right? Uh, but it's worth your time and money. Let's find out. Going back to the video. So without any further ado, let's get inside the box. So what do we have here? The device itself, and we got an AV cable. This is going to help us connect to the TV, and we got the device itself with a user manual. We'll cut that later. And here you go, guys. So this is how it looks. So we have a USB, micro USB charging. We have a headphone jack, yeah, and the power on off. What do we have here? It's a volume rocker, so it's a dial. So we don't have anything here or here. And the back side you have, come on guys, it's a Nokia battery. So literally, if you have a old Nokia phone, you can just bring out the battery and drop it into this, and that's about the unboxing. Now the design is clearly inspired by the classic Nintendo Game Boy with a D-pad on the left and action buttons on the right. The body is plastic, lightweight, fits comfortably in the hand. It does not feel a bit cheap. It feels a bit cheap, but it does not feel that bad. The build quality is good enough, but again, it's a budget device, guys. I'm very excited. Now let's get to the highlights. Let's turn this on. It comes in 2 languages. Okay, so we'll go with English. It comes with a preloaded 400 retro games. You'll find classic games like Mario, Contra, Adventure Island, Bomberman, and many more. But fair warning, not all of them are unique. Some are repeated or bootleg versions of the same. The performance is pretty smooth though. Okay, so let's pick Mario.